Learn Hindi, find forms fast, find to.
वे पाते हैं.
Welcome to the Great Lost Keys Mystery. Hey, you are about to learn a whole family of useful Hindi phrases around find. And yes, lost keys will suffer today. Imagine this. Everyone in the house is searching for one tiny key that is somehow louder in memory than in real life. The base idea is find, and in Hindi that is
ढूंढना.
Before anybody finds anything, one wise person squints at the sofa and says,
मुझे लगता है.
the key is hiding there just to feel important. So now the adventure begins. Your core phrase. Start with the main verb and let it stick in your mind like a detective theme song. The core verb is find equals.
ढूंढना.
Say it slowly.
ढूंढना.
Example. I want to find my keys. In Hindi, main apani kabayam.
ढूंढना.
Kahata hum. Funny memory tip. A detective cannot.
ढूंढना.
His own hat because it is already on his head. Opinions before action. Sometimes language learning starts not with certainty but with a shrug and a theory. I think equals.
मुझे लगता है.
Use it when you want to sound natural and a little thoughtful.
मुझे लगता है.
This is a good idea. In our key drama,
मुझे लगता है.
the dog knows where the key is. That sounds wise, even if the dog is asleep. One person at a time. Now you will hear the forms as little scenes. Picture each one clearly. You find equals.
तुम पाते हो.
Example.
तुम मेज के नीचे चाबी पाते हो.
He finds equals.
वो पाता है.
Example.
वो चाबी पाता है.
She finds equals.
वो पाती है.
Example.
वो चाबी जल्दी पाती है.
Tiny comedy break. He searches for 10 minutes in.
वो पाता है.
The glasses on his head. Then she laughs, searches for her phone, and
वो पाती है.
it in her pocket. Justice. The group joins the chaos. Now the room is crowded, everybody is dramatic, and somehow this helps. We find equals.
हम पाते हैं.
You all find equals.
तुम सब पाते हो.
They find equals.
वे पाते हैं.
Example. After searching.
हम पाते हैं.
The answer. Example. In the game.
तुम सब पाते हो.
The treasure. Example. Sometimes.
वे पाते हैं.
Answers in books. This is the magical moment when a whole group searches one room and somehow nobody checks the table until the very end. Then boom.
वे पाते हैं.
The thing exactly where it should have been all along. A surprise guest phrase. One phrase in your list does not mean find, but it is still useful and sneaky. It takes place can be expressed here as.
होता है.
Think of events. The meeting.
होता है.
Every Monday. The festival in the village.
होता है.
At night. In our story, the family search party officially.
होता है.
Every evening right after someone says, "Where are my keys now?" Mini dialogue at the sofa. Listen to this short scene and notice how the phrases work together. A. Where are the keys? B.
मुझे लगता है.
They are under the sofa. A. Can you find them? B. First I try to.
ढूंढना.
Them. A. Look.
तुम पाते हो.
Something shiny. B. Yes, and now.
वो पाता है.
One key, but.
वो पाती है.
The other one near the shoe. A. Great, together.
हम पाते हैं.
Both keys. B. And when the cousins arrive.
तुम सब पाते हो.
The missing bag too. A. Amazing. By midnight.
वे पाते हैं.
Everything except common sense. Rapid fire drill. Now repeat after each line in your head or out loud. Fast is fun. Find.
ढूंढना.
I think.
मुझे लगता है.
You find.
तुम पाते हो.
He finds.
वो पाता है.
She finds.
वो पाती है.
It takes place.
होता है.
We find.
हम पाते हैं.
You all find.
तुम सब पाते हो.
They find.
वे पाते हैं.
Tiny quiz, big drama. Let's see if your brain is awake and not pretending to be furniture. What is the Hindi word for find? Answer.
ढूंढना.
How do you say I think? Answer.
मुझे लगता है.
How do you say you find? Answer.
तुम पाते हो.
How do you say he finds? Answer.
वो पाता है.
How do you say she finds? Answer.
वो पाती है.
How do you say we find? Answer.
हम पाते हैं.
How do you say you all find? Answer.
तुम सब पाते हो.
How do you say they find? Answer.
वे पाते हैं.
How do you say it takes place? Answer.
होता है.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just survived a full search party in Hindi. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
ढूंढना. मुझे लगता है. तुम पाते हो. वो पाता है. वो पाती है. होता है. हम पाते हैं. तुम सब पाते हो.
And.
वे पाते हैं.
Practice a little every day, laugh when you forget, and soon you will find these phrases naturally.